If you're trying to get rid of belly fat at home, this is the video for you. You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of complicated workouts. Just 5 simple yet powerful exercises done consistently can help you achieve a flatter stomach in just 1 month. These movements are beginner-friendly, require 0 equipment, and target your entire core. And trust me, the 5th exercise is a real game changer, so stick around until the end. Exercise 1. Ab crunches. Crunches are one of the most effective moves to target the rectus abdominis and strengthen your core. Done consistently, they help define your abs and boost overall calorie burn. How to do it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Contract your abs and raise your torso 10 to 15 centimeters toward your knees. Pause, then lower slowly. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Exercise 2. Plank. The plank is a static but powerful move that works your core, glutes, back, and arms. It improves posture and supports your spine, especially useful if you sit a lot. How to do it. Elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight. Do 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. A dynamic core exercise that also boosts metabolism and burns fat. It works the abs, glutes, legs, and triceps all at once. How to do it. In a plank position, quickly alternate pulling each knee toward your chest. Do 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds. Exercise 4. Jumping jacks. A simple full-body cardio move that increases your heart rate, burns calories, and tones muscles. How to do it. Start with feet together, arms down. Jump to spread your feet and raise arms overhead, then return to start. Do 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds. Exercise 5. Burpees. The ultimate fat-burning move. Burpees combine a squat, push-up, and jump, activating nearly every major muscle group and boosting metabolism. How to do it. From a squat, jump into a plank, perform a push-up, jump feet back in, and leap up. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. So there you have it. 5 home exercises that, when done consistently, can flatten your stomach and burn fat fast. No equipment, no excuses, just real results. Want more tips like these? Hit that like button, subscribe, and check out more videos linked on the screen now. Let's get lean together. See you in the next one.